Are you still chasing dust and battling allergies? Or what about summer dampness or dry winter air? At John Betlem, we help you uncover what's really in your air and provide the solutions to fix it. Breathe healthier with our comprehensive air quality services, from the installation of high-efficiency air cleaners and filtration to UV purification. We specialize in removing allergens and pollutants. We also provide expert ductwork repair and replacement to ensure clean airflow throughout your home. For year-round comfort, we offer precision servicing for humidifiers and dehumidification systems. Need fresh air without losing energy? Our team handles the repair and installation of HRV and ERV ventilators to keep your home's air fresh and balanced. For professional indoor air quality installation and servicing, trust the 5-star team at John Betlem. Schedule your air quality assessment today.